Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you can see I've already done my makeup, so you must be thinking why am I here, but I'm here to talk about the most versatile product that we have in our makeup collection, that is a pencil eyeliner, or as you call it, kajal. I'm going to show you 4 ways to wear a kajal and how you can just amplify your look with just this one product. For this today I'm using my K Beauty by Katrina 24-hour kajal pencil in the shade Spade. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. And before that, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And let's get started with today's video. Now the first way to wear a kajal is obviously the basic way, just to line your waterline with the kajal, and just a simple basic way that we all know how to apply kajal in. And it is the most basic and perfect way to wear your kajal on an everyday basis. The other way you can wear your kajal is to smudge it out along with the lower lash line. For that, what you need to do is you need to apply a tad bit more of the eyeliner along with the lower lashes, but just halfway through your lower lash line. You can just smudge it out with a flatter shader brush like this. Take a brush like this and then just blend it out very softly along with the outer edges. Now it will give you a really nice and a very smoked out, smudged out look to your eyes, and it will just amplify your everyday look to a more smudgy eyeliner look. This is a tad bit more of a dramatic version of your daily everyday kajal. Just smudge it out a tad bit and it will give you some more definition and smokiness to your eyes. The third way I like to wear a kajal is a reversed wing eyeliner. What that means is just take the same kajal pencil and apply it on the outer edge a tad bit. Just bring it out on the outer edge, just a tiny bit like this, and then just smudge it out using the same flatter shader brush. Now it is the same smudged out eyeliner with just a tad bit of a wing on the outer edge. Now it looks even more dramatic and very sultry and perfect to be worn for a night out or a party or just anything. It looks really nice and very soft yet very defined. Trust me, anyone can rock this eyeliner look. It does not look too over the top, but it still is really nice and very dramatic on the eyes. Now the fourth and the last way I like to wear my eyeliner is a bold eyeliner look. I'm going to apply it along with my upper eyelashes as well. And then I'm going to smoke it out with the same flat shader brush. Just blend it out, smudge it out really nicely. And here you have a really nice and a smoked out, smudged out eyeliner look. It is perfect for every day. It is perfect for any occasion, daytime, nighttime, and it will suit each and every one of you. It will look good with Indian outfits and Western outfits, and you can amplify it even more by applying another coat of mascara. You can add more mascara to the eye look and it will deepen the eye look even more. You have created a perfect smoky eye look with just a kajal pencil, nothing else, just a kajal pencil, and you've got a full-on glam makeup look. You really do not even need a brush for this. You can just smudge it out using your finger or a Q-tip or just anything, and it will look absolutely beautiful. I'm going to add a tiny bit of a highlighter along with my brow bone and the inner corner of the eye to highlight my eyes even more. And you will see it will open up your eyes even more. Now you can see the difference. Just adding a tiny bit of highlighter to the inner corner, it makes so much difference in the appearance of your eyes. It makes you look even more fresh and it makes your eyes look even more open. And yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I just wanted to share with you my love for kajal, and I've shown you 4 ways in which you can wear your eyeliner, you can wear your kajal on an everyday basis, and even for a special occasion. This is a perfect way to just play with your eyeliner, play with your kajal, and amp up your look from daytime to nighttime with nothing but just a kajal pencil. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.